Hello YouTube, my name is Quinn, and welcome to my channel, Cooking with Q. If you can't tell, I am someone with a physical disability, but thanks to my caregivers, friends, and family, I'm still able to do plenty of cooking, and I always try to come up with experimental or unique ideas. Most of the time, you'll see me like this, recording from my bed, but occasionally you'll see footage of me in my electric wheelchair. Currently, I upload 3 times a week, every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. I have several ongoing series, such as a fermentation series, a pasta series, a cocktail series, a baking series, and recently a sous vide series. These ongoing series are generally updates on my various food projects, but I'll also occasionally have one-off videos that are their own topic. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. I don't mind, and if you like some of my cooking videos, please consider subscribing and/or following me on Twitter. I hope you enjoy my channel, and thank you for watching.